the hidden power of economizers. Why pay to cool your building when nature can do it for free? That's the genius of economizers. These devices use outside air to cool your building when conditions are right. On a cool morning or evening, they can reduce or even eliminate the need for mechanical cooling. The result? Energy savings up to 30% on cooling cost. It's like having a direct line to Mother Nature air conditioning. Best of all, economizers can be often added to the existing systems ready to harness the power of cooling. Ready to harness the power of free cooling? Contact Campbell Mechanical Services to get started today.